everyone. So today we are going to look at the NCCTRC customization, or what we've called the OSMAT 2024 customization. So the first thing we want to do is, with our items, we have some custom fields set, and these custom fields are important later on when you're creating the master list. So over here we've got our cases and then our capabilities, and whatever we've set over here, the names should be the same when we generate our master lists. So with the master list, we can see here some examples of master lists that have been created. These master lists should have the same name as the custom field that we set for the capability or the case. So create your description here and then import the item list of all the items that you've made inside the case or capability, and ensure that the impress quantity is also allocated, as this will help to allocate the stock later on. On the in use by tag, make sure that you've got the master list selected for the stores that you want this master list to be visible in. If you have a lot of stores, an easy way to do this can be to select the all on button here. So select customer first and then go into requisitions and select new customer requisition. In this case, we would like to send stock to the dispensary. So we will select dispensary, and then we will go into add from master list, and for us we want to send our staff health capability to the dispensary, so we will just select this one and select OK, and this will populate all the items that we've got in our staff health master list. Now we want to select the first item, hold shift and then select the bottom item, and we want to supply the remaining quantity. And what this does is, what we've put on the impress quantity, which is appearing here, it will populate these values into this column here. After this step, we want to create our customer invoice. We've got our customer invoice created, and what we can see is this has already selected the master list that we previously selected when we were doing the requisition. So now all we need to do is select issue stock for all placeholder lines, and this will choose all the items that have the custom field staff health. Now we can see that all our items have been allocated. So we can now confirm this. And this means that our items have been sent to the dispensary. In our dispensary, so what we want to do is view the order that was created. So we can check our supplier invoices, and this was the order that was created and sent to us. So what we can do here is we can receive the stock, so we uncheck hold and then can finalize this. This will bring all our stock into the dispensary, so we can see over here everything's been brought through to the dispensary. To dispense to a patient, we go to patients here, and then we select the new prescription, and we can enter in our patient and our prescriber, and then select new line, find our item, find the line it is on, and issue the quantity. We can add instructions down here that will be printed. And then we can select OK to confirm the prescription. You can go into supplier invoices once all your prescriptions have been completed, and you can return selected lines back into the warehouse. So in our case, we want to return everything. So we will select all the lines by holding Shift and then return selected lines and OK. And this will send all our stock that we haven't used back to the warehouse. The dispensary has sent us the stock back to the warehouse. We can see this by going to customer lists over here and then selecting customer credits, opening it up, and we can see our items that have been sent back to us. So for example, we did a dispensing for adenosine earlier and we can see the required quantity is 5, but we now have 4 available. So what we're going to do to receive all of these into our stock is to uncheck the hold and then check finalize, and this will bring back all our stock into the warehouse.